I think tensions were rising today. We were just yelling at each other, but I think it's part and parcel of this whole experience. Work is going on, mainly like roof stuff is going on. We talked to the carpenter today properly. We had already spoken to him, but he's going to start his work in a few days. I've bought all of the locks. I think you guys must have already seen those, right? Then I have some extra stuff. This is a light that I want to get mounted on the wall. I bought this from Bombay and brought it here lovingly. Here is something that I purchased from Amazon for the kitchen. Honestly, Mummy was scolding me because I bought it way too early. I could have waited, but I'm just so eager to get started on everything. Don't make faces at me, Mama. And that's why I really bought it. And today, this t-shirt I'm wearing, this is the flag of Vietnam, by the way. And I also bought my can of ʴᴏ with me, new can. It matches now, doesn't it? Now I want to show them what is like the main thing that we want to ʴᴏ. Let me get in here. So if you see this is my parents' nameplate that we had got made in brass. This is very special, like not just because it's my parents' name, of course, but I remember like my childhood memories are of initially getting this house and setting it up. Do you remember when Dad and I all painted the grills, Mom?
Correct.
Yeah.
I also helped.
No, I think it was mostly Dad and I though. You were doing the house stuff. I like this nameplate very much. Although my name is missing. We're going to keep this here, of course. No removing this. It has vintage value. But no, where are you going, Baba? On my face now. On my face. So that has vintage value. I don't want a new one. I want the same one. And then I'm going to have another nameplate with my name below that. So then it will be like a whole family thing. While the carpenters do their work, I will sit and ʴᴏ it. This is metal polish for brass, copper, zinc and steel. Come here, come here, come here. Come on, pretty Baba. Aha. Aha.
I'll give you a camera case.
Yesterday's Ash Wednesday dinner, which is really simple, and this is a vegetarian meal. There's rice, moong dal, there's a bhaji with French bean and carrot, and there's some thinly pickle. Morning time now. I went across the road to buy food and Mummy bought us a new tap. It's cute. So I didn't really vlog at this house yesterday because we were here for a shorter time. Nothing much interesting happened. We did consult with the electrician, but I don't want to shove a camera in just people's faces, and we were just talking and figuring things out. But today I was very excited. Today we came really early and I was just pumped because multiple things are happening today, some of which have already happened. It's not even 10 AM and we got our tile delivery of 4 more boxes. I've already shown you guys the white tile that we were going to use. Now we probably have enough to get started on the work, and the electrician also should arrive today and start on some internal and external electrical work. He seems like a nice guy, but he's not very punctual. So we're kind of waiting for that to start happening. Really extra excited about these right now. She's growling at me. You're my friend. So we have the electricians working outside right now and the carpenters working upstairs, and at any given time there's 2 drills running, really loud drills, so it's very noisy. But we're also grateful that, you know, those 2 things are happening at the same time, means it will finish off faster. It's much later now. I think it's about 3 p.m. and the electricians are done for the day. They're gonna finish off the work tomorrow, I think. But Mummy has something to show you guys.
Papaya.
What's that you have, Mama?
Our neighbor Nancy brought a papaya that she plucked from her garden.
Yes, it's all the more special. Like, gifting someone fruit anyway is a nice thing in my opinion, but growing your own fruit and then gifting it, it's like top tier. So this isn't ripe yet. I like how it's different now, the shape from commercial papayas. It's more round rather than like oblong.
It's reminding me of a coconut.
No, it's not reminding me of one. Okay, enough playing now. It's not a ball, it's a papaya. Just picking a finish for the main door. We're not changing the door, but we're kind of refinishing it. Which one do you like, Mom?
I don't know, this looks nice.
That's a little too dark.
Too dark.
Yeah, I kind of like
And
this.
this one.
I don't like the texture on this. Look at this. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's got a diamond shape.
Yeah, plasticky diamond shape, diamond art. Can you also show that first page veneer? Actually, yeah, something like this one. This is my favorite for sure. Let's figure out what we can do. Hi. Hi.